Alright, January 10th, 9:14 a.m. Time is down here, always New York Standard Time. I actually entered a position because I saw a bullish move up. The reason why I'm bullish is because the overall trend is bullish. We are in a market maker buy model right now at the moment. So I am bullish. My bias is bullish. Let's look at the daily candle. The daily candle has wicked above into this region over the consequent encroachment line of this imbalance. So I'm looking to see if price will continue upwards to the top of this fair value gap. In the meantime, when you look at the 15-minute candle, you see all of these wicks. Price failed to come back down lower. This shows me that we're bullish. All right, so there's a fair value gap here. So with that, I'm looking for price to continue upward. Now, what am I going to target? I'm not sure yet. There is an imbalance up here, there's an imbalance up here, there's an imbalance up here, and there's relative equal highs, which is previous week's high. Ultimately, I would like to see price come up here, and then after that, I'm not sure. It could continue up into this pool of liquidity here, or it could completely dump, but we'll wait and see. Okay, let's look at this position here. I moved my stop up to about 3 ticks above where I bought it from so that I could have a break-even trade if price decides to come back down. My ultimate target will be these highs right here. I'm looking for price to take out buy-side liquidity here. Price is reacting off of this fair value gap. I think it's better to simply just take profits here. So I'm gonna have my finger on the trigger. See what price does there. You know what, maybe I'll just move my stop up. To about here. And we'll see what price does. So right now that's going to be giving me about 180. You know what? I don't want to take this chance. Let's just take profits here. Boom. Enter the position on my funded account, taking it up to here. Remember, this is my funded account. In order to cash out, I need to do $200 a day for 5 days. I need 5 profitable days, and minimum profit needs to be 200 in order for me to cash out anything. Not sure what price wants to do. The reason why I put my order there is because there's an order block there that I believe price will wick into and bounce. Tagged in. See what happens. I rebalanced this fair value gap also. Stopped out. Wow. That's insane. Alright, I need to reassess. This is wild. Definitely bullish. What is price doing? I should have taken profits up here. I really should have taken profits when I was up like $500. I was stuck to my bias. Oh my gosh. This is my 150K eval account. I know I blew it yesterday. I got another one today. These are my trades that I took, and I'm gonna kind of explain why I took these trades. If you look over on the 5-minute chart, I saw this wick going into this fair value gap right here. This is where all of the bullish action was starting to show yesterday. And this is the reason why my bias is bullish. This area right here completely messed me up on my funded account. And I'm going to explain what happened on my funded account. On my 158K account, after I cleared my mind a little bit, I was able to identify what was going on. And these are the trades that I took. And I also don't recommend pyramiding in like this because I didn't manage my risk well. Even though I did well, I did 4.5K on this account today, I did not manage my risk well. I was revenge trading and I took on more risk than I should have. Here's ES and NQ side by side. At 9 o'clock, ES started to run up and then dropped. When I was trading NQ, I saw this and I thought it was going to head up into London highs immediately. But what ended up happening is that NQ dumped, and this is where I locked out my 50K account and my funded account immediately because I kept on longing. If I had both of these charts open, I would have known that this would have been a clear short. How would I have known? This divergence right here. So if you look at this divergence between these correlated assets, ES is on the left, NQ is on the right. ES made higher highs while NQ failed. This would have told me that NQ is weak. Price got sent down. And then look at this right here. There's a bullish div from this point to here. This would have told me that it is now time to go long, which matches up with my bullish bias. So if I would have waited instead of longing here and locking out both my accounts, I would have been able to close the day with a very, very good gain. On my 150K account, I was able to reassess the situation, and that's exactly what happened. These are the trades that I took. Tomorrow, if you look at the charts for tomorrow, I'm still very bullish on the markets. I think price will take out buy-side liquidity up here, but we will see. This daily fair value gap right here, I believe will be broken. I'm not saying that it will, but it looks very bullish to me. And for ES, there's no point of reference where I would have shorted except for this fair value gap, which is now inversed, right? It closed above. There's relative equal highs here. So tomorrow I'm going to be looking to take price up.